This video is for summertime AC, air conditioning, or HVAC system testing of your vehicle. So if you have a Model 3 or Y or whatnot, you go into service mode, click on the car thing, and then here you click on software, and then here you gotta go back. Software, hold that for about 5 seconds until it blinks. Type in service, okay, enter. So now you're in a red screen under service mode, and then you have the middle where you have the index. Click on thermal, then you can click on actions, and then under actions you can do a test HVAC performance or test thermal performance. HVAC is your AC and heating, so if your AC ain't working right or whatnot, then you can test it. So if you click test HVAC, and then it'll say this routine tests the cabin HVAC operation, cabin heating and cooling, and returns pass or fail. This is the same routine used by Tesla factory EOL to certify the cabin HVAC is performing to specifications. So it's a good system to run during summer or right before summer. So I'm going to run it. And then it says you got to press your brake and then do the turn signal to the right. Do the turn signal to the right for 8 seconds. You'll hold it. And then finally, you can click on test HVAC performance, and then it'll make all kinds of weird clunky sounds, and the fans are all gonna kick in. It's gonna do its thing. So this channel is for anybody that has a Tesla that wants to service their own vehicle. You can subscribe, like and subscribe, leave a comment. So while it's running in progress, it's literally blowing cold air under my feet, and then it's gonna go from cold to hot, and it's just gonna basically cycle through, make sure the HVAC system is properly working. You can also run this in the winter time to make sure your heating elements are all working properly. So it doesn't cost anything, it's pretty safe to do. Anybody can do it. Sounds like it's winding down. You can look at my other videos that I have on how to fix simple things like cameras not working or whatnot. There's different resets that you can do. I've had actually a lot of people leave comments as far as them saving themselves thousands of dollars by doing certain things themselves, like their headlights not working, or their camera's not working, or their their recharging not working. And if you got something that ain't working, leave a comment. I could always make a video on it. This one's just a kind of a very simple video on how to test your air conditioner for the summer. And then after it's done, it'll say routine passed if everything checks out. If it doesn't, then it'll say not passed, and then you could rerun it if you want. In this case, you can click close. You can also do test thermal performance and run it. I don't need to do that. Run coolant pumps. That's like if you're gonna top off your radiator fluid. I got other videos for that. But in this case, that's all you do. And then to log out, you just hold that for a second and come back. So if this helps, thumbs up or subscribe. Bye.